2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi. Still got stock factory converters there and there. Then it goes 3-inch all the way back. And we put a FLOWMASTER Super 10 on it right there. Beautiful muffler. The beast. And then it comes dual from the factory with 2-inch. And we left the resonators on. He doesn't want it too loud. It lives downtown. There's the muffler we cut off right there. There it is. That's what it looks like. It's alarmy edition. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. There's the sound decibel right there. Again. Sound decibels. Again. So you guys can do that in California. It's a 102. It'll pass California law. 102, that's not that bad at all. It's nice deep. You want it louder? No. Let you guys hear it on the inside. The Honda. I think he's the only one dropped off. Yeah, the Honda.